Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Takia Comey, your South Florida realtor and entrepreneur. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So I am also on a journey of selling digital products, and I have been doing a digital product series to teach you as well as explain or share my journey with you so you can know how to succeed in this field. Now, I'm not saying that I am successful in this field, but I am learning as I go. But I have some exciting news today. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. So let's jump right into it. So like I told you guys, I am so excited. I've been only doing digital products for about 3 months now. I was an entrepreneur before this, so I have a little idea on how to work social media, how to sell products. I used to sell women's accessories. I used to sell women's shoes. I'm a realtor, so I have some knowledge about being a business owner. I'm not new to the game. I'm true to this, so yeah. But I am excited because within my first 3 months of selling digital products, I have netted about $25,000 so far, and I am just blown away. Oh my God. So yes, you guys, I hit my $25,000 mark. I am just speechless because like you, I was sitting there wondering, how do these women make all of this money? And just to put a disclaimer out there, everybody is not gonna make the same amount of money. And I say this all the time because we all are selling different products. So what someone else is making may not be the same thing that you make, and who knows, you may even make even more. Today I wanted to come with a new product that I newly purchased and I'm now selling. At this point, I feel like I'm a crackhead for digital products because I just keep buying more and more and more because I'm excited to learn, share, and give you guys the knowledge. So I'll purchase it before you do so you don't have to waste your money. So far I am selling about 3 digital products, well now 4 digital products. I do have the Digital Wealth Academy, which is $4.97. It's a great product. I also sell the 300 plus bundle that's $58, but I'm thinking about changing that. And then I also now newly formed sell Done For You Reels. It's Melanin Reels for us Black beautiful women. And I have that product as well. That one's only $27, so that's a good little investment. And it also has Resell Rights, so if you decide to purchase that, I know a lot of people have hard times creating their reels and making videos, or you just don't have the content, or you don't want to be on the content. It's totally fine. The reels are already made for you. Not every reel is going to have a face in it. It may be like a hand, or because I know some of you are also doing faceless marketing, so not every video will be the same. But it is a really good investment. It's only $27. It comes with 450 reels that are already done for you. And it has some story content that you can put in your stories. So that part, the hard part is done. All you have to do is just resell this item. Plus you can also use the videos. So why not? That link will be in my bio, in my description below if you guys want to purchase that. But today I came to talk to you guys because there is a new sheriff in town. There is a new digital product. It's kind of similar to the UBC, the DWA, Simply Passive, but this one is fairly new. There's not a lot of people selling this item yet, so that's why I think it's really good. So this item is listed for $111. Once you purchase it, you can resell this product, so it has MMR reselling rights, and it's awesome because it's not expensive. As we know, the DWA and the UBC are up in the $500 price range. Not everybody can afford to do $500, especially if you're just starting out. So being that this one is only $111, it is very similar to the 300 plus bundle that I was already selling. But the thing about this one is it has a lot of structure. It's the same person who invented the 300 plus bundle, so I can vouch for it. DBA is the Digital Boss Academy, and this is pretty much like the updated version to the 58 plus bundle that I was already selling. Now, so far, I have made over $6,000, I would say, give or take, with this product. So it's really good. And also, you guys know with the first product I did, I made more money, but of course, I had that one a lot longer. So the best part about this one is it has like a breakdown, play-by-play, different modules that you can complete. And they give you a lot of information if you're just learning how to do this for the first time, or if you're someone who you're not tech savvy, this is perfect for you. So it's kind of similar to the Digital Wealth Academy. However, it is a lot cheaper, but this one comes with a lot of different perks. So this one comes with 45 ready to sell templates. So pretty much meaning all you have to do is just put your branding on it and you can automatically resell it. It has 100 vendors list for those of you who are selling clothes or hair. They have the vendors for those pieces. They also have strategies on how you can make over 100,000 in funding when it comes to running your own business. They have a Canva course, which is pretty cool because Canva is big right now. They just recently had their relaunch of things that they're revamping on their site. So if you're not a Canva friendly user, this also has a guide to help you go through Canva. It also has a content to coins ebook that'll help you elevate your reels and your content so that you can start elevating and making more money off of your content, not just by selling digital products, but as you know, you can make money just pushing your content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook by running ads. So they now have these ways that you can also elevate and make more money on top of that. So it's phenomenal. And I wouldn't just tell you guys this. I purchased it. I've already started making money off of it. And like I said, there's already a community of 2,000 women in this group, which is kind of good because it's not oversaturated. Compared to the DWA, it has over 40,000 women in that group. As a video editing class, for those of you who do not know how to edit videos, most likely it will be on CapCut. This course also has marketing and branding strategies, which is very important when it comes to your business. For those of you who don't know the difference between branding and marketing, but I feel like this is a win-win situation. Being that it's a lot cheaper than DWA, and I still sell DWA, I think DWA, the Digital Wealth Academy, is still a phenomenal program. But for those of you who are on the fence, like, is it worth it? Should I buy it? This is worth it. And I'm not just kidding you. Like, I even went through this to show you guys like little pieces of what's included in this. So yeah, it is not, like I said, it's not oversaturated, so you won't hear a lot of people speaking on it. But they also have trainings and video Zooms that they do on Mondays and Tuesdays I think it's every 1 or 2 weeks throughout the month. So you have that support as well. They have a group chat where you can go in and ask questions. They give little tips on captions that work. They also talk about trending reels. They do challenges every month to help you grow. So it's not just something that you're purchasing and then you're lost about, okay, well, what do I do next? This is something to help you build. And also later on, you can even teach more people on how to build. Because of course, the way that you promote your product, that is how you're going to sell your product. So like I said, even if you were to purchase this product, please don't just think that you could buy it, put it on your website, and then just pray that people come. You do have to find a way to market yourself. You have to go live. You have to post on TikTok, on Instagram. Even Pinterest is a great way to post because a lot of people are buying digital products from over there as well. But just finding a way that works for you. And I feel like this can work for any niche because sometimes some of those ebooks, they also have things for fitness, things for planners, things for manifestation. So there's a lot of good, valuable things in this. And like I said, I've already made about $6,000. I've been telling you guys what it is from day one. My total income has been about $25,000 in digital products alone, and I'm going to keep going. Like I said, I'm a crackhead for it. I've been buying these products and they have been working. And not to say that I keep buying multiple products because one works and one doesn't. The reason why I buy multiple products, and I spoke about this in my other videos about the digital product secrets, it's good if you have 3 different types of products. And I would say first, make your investment first. Let's say if you buy a small one and then you want to get the next one. Set a goal for yourself, and this is what I told one of my clients. Set a goal for yourself to say, okay, I'm gonna buy one for $111. And then once I get to my 1,000, then I'll buy my next digital product. The way that it's working is because they have a high, a mid, and a low. So I have a high ticket product, which is my DWA, which is $497, because that may be for a certain audience. Then I have the DBA, which is the Digital Boss Academy, and that one is $111. Remember, these two, you cannot sell it for less than what it's going for. You have to sell it for the $497. You have to sell it for the $111. And then I also have my 58 plus bundle, which I'm considering discontinuing because now I have the DBA, and I feel like the DBA is way more friendlier and it's user friendly because I know a lot of my people have a little like hiccups with some things. So I feel like this was a lot more easier to navigate. It's beginner friendly and it makes a lot more sense. But I have different products, and then I also have one for $27. And for each digital product that I offer, I have a freebie. So if you're not sure and you're on the fence, I have a freebie that'll actually explain to you what you're actually purchasing. So yeah, but I don't know what else to talk about. I will come back because I want to do a video about the Melanin Reels, the Done For You videos that I'm also selling. But like I said before, I'm always in my comments. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and talk to me. Let me know what you want to know. Let me know what questions you have, because I'm always open to share. And then also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, so I'm super, super excited. I want to thank everybody who has come along just because of this digital series. I thank you guys so much. And like I said, I answer questions back on my YouTube, my social medias. I have like a ton of different social media platforms, so please excuse me if I don't answer you right away. But like, you can read my reviews. A lot of people say I always come back, I always answer my phone. I'm there for when they need me. So this is not just something me trying to sell you something just for me to make money. No, I don't want to do that. I want it to be where you're able to grow, you're able to learn, and you can benefit and profit from this. So other than that, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You guys have a good one. Stay safe. Peace.